How to add a new address in your Avant profile. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Avant website. Log into your Avant account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard and find the Profile or Account Settings section. Click on the option to edit profile or manage addresses. Look for the section where your current address is listed. Then find the button or link to add new address. Enter your new address details carefully, including street, city, state, and zip code. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues with your account or loan communication. After entering the new address, review all details, then click Save or Update to add the new address to your profile. Your new address will now be saved and used for all future correspondence from Avant. If needed, you can also set your new address as your primary address in your profile settings. Now you know how to add a new address in your Avant profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.